Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class math students. Today I am going to explain the relation between the coefficients and zeros of cubic polynomial. They give if p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8. 4 comma minus 2 comma 1 by 2 are three zeros of the given polynomial. Check relation of zeros and the coefficients. Sum of the zeros. First zero 4 plus second zero minus 2, third zero plus 1 by 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2. Take LCM, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. It can write minus of minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 is the x square coefficient of x square. 2 is the coefficient of x cube. The relation of the zeros and coefficients. Product of the zeros. 4 into minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 8 by 2. Minus constant by coefficient of x cube. What is the constant here? 8. So here also 8 by coefficient of x cube is equal to 2. However, there is one more relationship here. Consider the sum of the product of the zeros taken two at a time. ఇక్కడ రెండు product గా తీసుకుని యాడ్ చేస్తే sum of the coefficients కి రిలేషన్ ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది. 4 into minus 2, first 2 zeros product minus 8, second 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 4 by 2. Take LCM is the 2 8s are 16 minus 2 plus 4. 16 minus 2 minus 18 plus 4 minus 14 by 2. Coefficient of x is equal to minus 14 given. Coefficient of x cube is equal to 2 given. In general, it can be proved that alpha, comma, beta, comma, gamma are three zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma in names పెట్టుకుంటే if the cubic polynomial, general cubic polynomial, this one, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus d by a. This is the formulas. So hence proved. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Like it.